Designed as the second in a series of videos sponsored by Gamecock Headquarters in the College of Education, this video will help you navigate the next steps following admission to your graduate program. If at any time you have questions about this process, please contact the Gamecock Headquarters office at 803-777-6732 or coestudy@mailbox.sc.edu. Information in this video will assist you in navigating campus services and will share financial aid and forms information. Financial aid is always important for our graduate students. You can find important links here. Also, if you are a SC certified teacher, the information here under the SC Certified Teachers and Supervisory Teachers Part-Time heading may be helpful. In addition to financial aid, other funding exists for graduate students. You can view some of those opportunities here in the information about fellowships, grants, and assistantships. Tuition and fee information is easily accessible here. If you are not completing an online program, you may want to visit the parking page to investigate buying a parking pass. Note the link to the Parking Services webpage where you can find information about different garages and lots on campus. Having a Carolina card is required for many services. You can view the information needed to obtain a Carolina card on this webpage. Information on housing for graduate students, including several helpful searches, can be found here. See more about the Student Disability Services Office here. Note the link to the Office of Student Disability Services Office webpage. The Graduate School has an extensive forms library. In most cases, your graduate advisor will email a link to the appropriate form if you need it, but you can view the list of forms here. If you have questions about transfer of graduate credit, contact your graduate advisor to start the process of determining if the courses you would like to transfer meet the graduate school's transfer guidelines. You have now completed the Forms and Processes video. If you have any questions about how to accomplish any of the items mentioned in this video, please contact the Gamecock Headquarters office at 803-777-6732 or coestudy@mailbox.sc.edu.